Hello and welcome back, everyone, for this wonderful episode of mini podcast series that we are conducting at Hackara, organized by Girls Leading Tech. Today, we have with us Ishita, our amazing co-organizer, with us, and let's get to know her and her experiences without any further ado. So, hello, Ishita.
Hi Manik.
So today, I and Adesha will be hosting you for this wonderful podcast series. So let's start with your wonderful introduction. We like anything that you want to tell us about yourself, what you do, and apart from tech, what you love to do, and from where you are joining.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Ishita and I am joining from Jaipur. I am a BCA student currently in my second year at SRM Chennai. Um, and as of what I'm doing, well, I am in tech, but I love design, and I think this is the part where I can soft launch my startup. It is called PrepPal. So, with my co-founder, I'm building an AI ethics startup. Well, that's the news from my side. And other than that, you can find me painting, exercising because I love all those things. Yeah.
Wow,
That's pretty
startup.
cool.
That is amazing, Adesha, right? We do got
Yeah,
someone who is built.
it is.
We would love to know more about the
Someone
startup.
who is dreaming of about the startup and someone who
Yeah,
already has a startup. So I would really love to know more about it.
we do have a startup founder with us. Ishita, we would love to know if it's not that much confidential.
I mean, I was about to, with my co founder,
Launch.
we were about to launch the waitlist soon anyway. So, this is the soft launch, you could say. Anything that you want to learn, X goal and Y duration of time, you will be able to get the resources, um, and you will be able to learn in a structured way. That is the basic idea. We are working and refining our technical process. Um, so that is the news from me. And what else can I tell you
That's a
about myself?
great news. That's extremely great news. I mean, we are super proud of you as co-organizers. Okay,
Wonderful.
now coming back to the podcast, now that you are given such an amazing news, we'll just little bit switch to a philosophical side of being a part of this amazing organizing team. How has it been for you so far being a part of this team?
So this is a great question because I had been reflecting on my journey of about 1 year now. Last year, this was the time I had the task of designing the logo, and I was thinking so hard how to make the logo. And it is really amazing to think about that since those 12 months ago and now we have conducted so many things together. I have got to know so many people beyond just Manik here. I know Adyasha now. I know everyone else in our team, and it is really crazy when you think about how much you can learn and how much new things you can do in every month. So, and even this hackathon, when I think about it, the number of things which I have learned, like I like to write these things in my diary, and that is when I really get to realize the number of things we have done. Like I had no idea how we could manage a 24-hour thing, and here we are doing it all in the background, which is yeah, it will all hit me later more, but up till now, this is the thing.
I still remember the days when we have conducted Empower Her online summit of 5.5 years at Women's Day, and then Ishita would be telling Manik, I have never attended any virtual event this much long. It's like back to back roller coaster. Oh my god. Okay, but this is like 24 hours. We are here and back to back workshops and sessions we are doing. So how are you feeling, Ishita?
Oh my god, I had forgotten about that completely. Yes, that was my the first thing we ever did together was the longest thing I had ever done till then.
You have also posted a post on LinkedIn with the same hook, two lines starting from it's a roller coaster. We have pulled it off. If you can check back on LinkedIn.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
you and your memory. Yeah, that's what I wrote. Seriously, and even then, it was like a 4 to 6 hour thing which we had done. and I
Five,
was not
around five
good.
hours.
Yeah, 5 hours, and even at the end of that, I was not feeling tired. I felt charged with so many new things that we had learned. Um, with if
Because
I
we had a yoga
continue,
session at last second in the
yeah,
midnight.
that I still do the meditation exercises which I learned in those in that yoga
Wow,
session. By the way.
wow, wow. Madhu
That
ma'am would be so
session was
happy.
really amazing. Yeah,
Mad-
that was really
Madhu ma'am would be so
amazing.
happy after hearing this. She would be proud of you.
Yeah, I mean
Nice.
we should
Adesha,
do that today also.
uh, enough is on our plate. But yeah, we should be doing it because we do have an amazing yoga teacher already. Like it's been sometimes she's not available, sometimes we are not able to accommodate. So we do have a yoga teacher ready to take up a session. Maybe next month because every time we plan something in girls reading, take Ishita, Manik, it's too much. We should take a break now. You just come and put a bomb. We are organizing this hackathon. We are organizing this fellowship. It's not that way. So it's okay. We'll take a rest now, finally, for some time. In the meantime, we'll be focusing on our website and the community internal structure. We would be like distributing the community on the basis of states, like all the girls from Jaipur is in one WhatsApp group, Odisha is in one WhatsApp group. So that they can interact with each other and related to fields as well, like if they're interested in design in one group, something like that we would love to do. But let's proceed further, Adesha.
I'm
Oh
pretty
yeah,
sure
sure.
you're gonna
So
hear another thing that we are gonna organize. We just got this really amazing opportunity.
yeah, so coming back to the podcast. So what are your strengths and weaknesses, Ishita?
Hmm. My strengths. As you guys only had mentioned once, Manik had told me some of my strengths that I keep a positive attitude, I think. Um, I have an infectious energy, I could say. Maybe that is one of my qualities. Um, I like to think deeply. That is, third one is what I think of myself personally. Um, my downsides, like if I had to say that, I can be impatient, I think. Why is this not happening? That questions come a lot to me. Um but that's fine because then I'm able to push for that work further. So, but yeah, like now that I have grown a little bit older, that is comparing myself to my past years, yeah, I have definitely matured a little in that area. I am no longer stomping my feet saying Mama ye kyun nahi ho raha. So, but yeah, I think we must all of us must have grown in some way over the last few years of our college.
I can completely agree with you on this part because as we start growing up, because college is that particular phase of your life that can make you and or break you at the same time, and that gives you the biggest of life lessons as well. And you just start becoming very dependent on yourself than people who were once feel making you dependent on them. So yeah, that was really nice to hear from you. Now coming to the next question, what is one fun fact about yourself?
Uh, so I sort of recently learned this fact. When I was born, which is late November of 2004, in that hospital, like near that hospital, was a marriage garden, and the song "Dhoom Machale" was playing. So I was born with my own background music playing. That is like the most fun fact about me.
Okay, this is very unique. Honestly, someone
Like
or the others.
when you were born, that music was being played, right?
Yeah.
Wow, wow,
Even
that's
I'm a
amazing.
November baby, and I'm a huge fan of that song ever since I was a kid. So, wow, why did I
Nice.
sound like the song again? Anyway, very relatable.
Cool.
Well,
Manik, the honors.
Yeah. So where do you see yourself after 5 years?
Hmm. The toughest question I could say. Uh, like this is where it might go philosophical. Um, I don't know. This is a thing with me, which I fear a lot. When I say something, I have the fear of it getting jinxed, and it has happened with me a lot. Um, so where I would want myself to be, and where I am most likely to be in the next 5 years, I hope it is the same place. Um, I would definitely love to have something that I have built of my own next to my name. That is something which matters a lot to me. Um, and I would like to build something of value. That's the best thing I can say. I don't really see myself, but like having done something is more like it. And I hope I'm earning crazy amount of money by then.
I completely agree with you. It's more about the way we build ourselves towards that goal of, where we see 5 years later. So yeah, that's actually very philosophical, but it's more of like very encouraging for people out there. So maybe they can learn more from your story.
Yeah. In
Wonderful.
fact, I have like the inspiration I have gotten over these past few months from this community only. Seeing Manik start this community and so many people coming together, they have things of their own going on. And like seriously, when I see the amount of work which people put into things that they love, that has inspired me the most.
Wonderful. That's so beautiful, Ishita. And yes, we would be doing the good work in future too. And as we have a next guest waiting, and it would be amazing to talk to you. Thank you so much, Ishita, for your time coming, for sharing about yourself and your experiences. Thank you so much, and may you have an amazing journey ahead. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Now maybe you
Have a
can
good
join the
day.
Discord, and we can cover the Discord too because I'm having FOMO. There, Lakshmi is not coming, but giving me a lot of FOMO just from the comment section.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.